service provider of the NFL and NFL Mobile. Packers and the Panthers. Cam Newton put a scare into the defending champs. Brandon LaFell into the end zone with the ball. Newton goes over 400 yards, but he ran into a fellow Heisman Trophy winner, Charles Woodson, picked him off twice. Also recovered a Steve Smith fumble. Packers are 2-0. Bears Saints, fastest guy on the field, and he proved it. Devery Henderson, 79 yards. Breeze throws 3 touchdowns, 270 yards. Seahawks Steelers, a rematch of Super Bowl 40. Ike Redmond, 20-yard touchdown run. Pittsburgh bounces back from a Week 1 loss in Baltimore. Ravens Titans, big letdown for the Ravens. Matt Hasselbeck threw for 358, connecting with Kenny Britt at 9 for.
I'll turn that off in like 20 seconds.
Raiders Bills, best game of the day.
I was just recording something. She was cleaning out his ears. Say hello. You're on videotape. Or on film, I should say. I guess that's not even correct. It's on camera. On a disc.
Jaguars, Jets. Jets rolled all over the Jags. Opening drive, Mark Sanchez. Santonio Holmes. What's up, Holmes? Jets over the Jags.
Hey, Booger.
Texans, Dolphins. Arian Foster back.
Get down. What are you thinking? You're not allowed to do that. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Minnesota. Love those goals. 2 touchdowns. Denver also on to beat the Bengals 24-17.